Hello people, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a shower niche in Revit. First, go to section and make a section cut on the showing the wall that you want to make the niche in. I'm going to click the component, then click model in place. Scroll down till you see the section walls and then click walls and OK. And you can name it, I'm going to name it shower niche. I'm going to go to void because this is a void extrusion, and this is where you're going to draw your niche from a floor plan view, and you're going to draw the depth and the width. I'm going to make mine 16 inches, 18 inches, and so that is my niche, and I'm going to click the check mark, finish model, and if you get this, don't worry, just go to this cut, click cut geometry, click the wall, and then go to a section view and click the void or the niche that you just made. Now click the check mark, and there you have it. You don't get the error message anymore. And so now you just want to adjust the height of your niche in the section view. You can also adjust the width in this view. And now when you adjust the height of it, it was cutting through the way, but when you adjust the height to be a little taller, it's now shown on the floor plan view. And there you have it. That is how you make a shower niche through your wall. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. God bless.